Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are in series of bag making part 6. As a part 6, I would like to show you how to make this beautiful hand pouch. Let's not wait anymore, let's start. First we need to take outside material. Here I have taken a gold color kind of a resin with 6 into 10 inches. With the same measurements I have taken 2 pieces for both the sides and also small black piece around 2 inches, 2 pieces for both the sides, and also the base. This is little different from other pouches. As usual we supposed to take lining, but before that we just need to attach these two to make single piece. After attaching them, they look like this. You can see here. Now we need to take a lining for these two. Here I have taken little thicker material to support this outside fabric. And also for the base we need to take little more thicker because it should stand. So we need to attach this base to the main part. Just place like this and make a stitch. Once you finish stitching both the sides, and we need to make a stitch on the top of it so that it looks neat and sits properly. You can see here the base extras are in and it sits properly now. You can see here. According to these measurements we need to take a lining to cover this. So now we need to attach zip. So place the zip in between these two and make a stitch. Make a double stitch so that the zip will be more stronger. And while you are stitching the zip, leave little zip out. After that we need to attach zip to the other part. Like this you place in between these two and make a stitch. After attaching the zip, it looks like this. You can see here we have left little zip out. Now we need to close both the sides. Before that, take a handle that we already have cut and place in between these two and make a stitch. One side we need to stitch completely. The other side we need to leave little place to turn the pouch. We have finished stitching both the sides and we have left little place to turn the pouch. And now we need to bring the pouch into shape. To bring the pouch into the shape, we need to cut the corners. So here I have taken 1 inch from both the sides like this and cut. The same way even the lining. And now fold the edges like this and make a stitch. Both the sides, even the lining. Yes, I have finished stitching both the sides and even the lining. Now we have left little place to turn the pouch and let's turn it. We have turned the pouch. You can see here the base. And now we need to close even that remaining lining. We have finished stitching the lining. You can see the shape. And now we need to insert lining in. we need to lock the zip with this small piece, otherwise it comes out. I have finished stitching the lock. You can see this is not only the lock and it also looks little neat. And now sometimes when we pull the zip, this inner lining will come and disturb the zip. So for that we need to make outside stitch so that the lining will sit properly. Friends, we have finished stitching outside. So inside I have used black thread and outside is yellow thread. So the lining is properly set right. So we have done the pouch. Friends, what do you say? You can also try. Friends, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like this video, please share with your friends and tell them to subscribe my channel.